We're just a couple of days away from Boruto manga chapter 55, and obviously the speculations are at an all-time high. Now, I've already made a video talking about my predictions and theories for this particular chapter. You can watch it here. But for the last couple of days, one old theory has been popping up quite a lot on the internet, and I think it's a good time to talk about it. So hello and welcome to Under YZ. My name is Soham, and today we are going to talk about the possibility of two new Otsutsuki characters appearing in Boruto manga chapter 55 and beyond in the future of the series. But before that, if you're new here, then please consider subscribing to our channel since I do weekly anime and manga related content. With that being said, let's begin the video. So this particular theory actually stems from Boruto manga chapter 35, where Sasuke went on to explore the ruins of the Otsutsuki clan, and it was at that moment when he finally discovered the fact that Kaguya was actually a pair with Ishiki Otsutsuki, and the same case applied to Momoshiki and Kinshiki as well. But that was not the only thing that he found there, because he also found out the ruins for one particular pair of Otsutsuki clan members which were apparently damaged or which were apparently broken. Now that was obviously a tease, or rather a foreshadow for two new characters to appear sometime down the road in the series. We do not have the insignia or the symbols for these characters because they were apparently broken, and we do not have any major reasons whatsoever to understand what exactly happened there and why these symbols are broken. I do not assume for a fact that they are actually dead. I don't think that is actually the case here, because we saw that Kinshiki actually died and Momoshiki also died, but still their symbols were visible or present in that particular ruin. So this is not apparently the case of a death, but rather something more happened, and this is potentially tied to the history or the past of the ninja or shinobi world. So now, according to the new theories for Boruto manga chapter 55, these two new characters or maybe one new Otsutsuki character might appear in the story, especially now that Ishiki Otsutsuki is apparently gone. And this theory is gaining more and more traction because one character arc is done, so maybe this is just the right time for the introduction of a new major villain or new major foe. Now, I don't exactly think that this is actually going to be the case. I think that this would be quite soon, because chapter 55 should be the transition chapter, and it would rather focus upon Boruto, Kawaki and Naruto, as well as the situation surrounding Sasuke and his Rinnegan. I've already talked about all the possible things that can happen in this particular chapter. I'm once again telling you all to just go and watch this prediction video. I think that this is pretty well made, and I think this will help you all a lot. But at the same time, I do wonder if Kishimoto is going to show some focus upon Code as well as the Ten-Tail situation, because that is pretty important. That is going to be pretty important in the future of the series. Moreover, along with that situation, just what if we get a silhouette for some apparent new Otsutsuki characters? That would be pretty interesting, but I think Boruto manga chapter 55 is probably not the right place for an introduction that big. That is bound to happen. I'm pretty sure that it is bound to happen sometime down the future, but it's just not suitable for Boruto manga chapter 55. But then again, these were my thoughts upon this particular theory, which has been really popping up currently on the internet, and I really think that some new Otsutsuki characters are definitely bound to appear in the series in the future of the series, because they were obviously foreshadowed in those ruins. These elements will simply not be wasted, because these are parts of a Chekhov gun, and these have to be paid off by Kishimoto here. Otherwise, I think that would be mostly a ruined opportunity, because even after the revelations and everything, we know actually very little about the Otsutsuki clan and how actually it works, other than their modus operandi for harvesting the chakra fruit. But there you have it. These are my thoughts on this particular matter. What do you guys think about all of this? Please mention your thoughts in the comment section below. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more. This is Wonder YZ, and I'll see you soon in the next video.